Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jess. If not, welcome back. So today's video, as you can tell from the title, I am going to be doing my Boxy Charm unboxing. This is the $25 box. I believe I got a premium box as well, but I don't think that'll come in for another week or two. So I will do a separate video for that next month. If you want me to do them together, just leave a comment down below. That way there's not two separate videos. You can kind of compare the two boxes. But this one just came a lot sooner than the other one. I'm not sure why. But without further ado, let's get started. So I haven't peeked in the box, so I'm super excited. This is my second ever Boxy Charm unboxing. And the first one that I got was a Luxe, which is the one that they do quarterly. So it was a really, really big box. I think it was like 80 bucks and it was worth like 300 something. So that was really cool. So this is the first ever like regular Boxy Charm box that I've gotten. This is the $25 box and this comes monthly. And so this month's theme is festival vibes, which is so sad considering pretty much every festival has been canceled. So that's really unfortunate. But there's this really cool coupon on the back from Misguided where you could get 55% off, which is really cool. I've never shopped at Misguided, so that's really nice to have. It's 55% off, which is quite a bit, but it does expire May 15th. So there is an end date on that. I'm just gonna dig in here. So the first product is the Professionals Hydrate Primer. I've tried the Professionals regular primer, but it's really, really silicone-y. It's definitely a good smoothing primer, but I just wasn't really a fan. So I'm really excited to try this because, as most of you guys know, I do have dry skin. So this is the packaging here, super cute. And this is a full size. I believe these are all full size products. And this one retails for $32, which is already the price of the box, more than the price of the box. I'm just gonna put this on the back of my hand, see what this feels like. So that's what it looks like there. Oh, it feels really good on the skin. Oh, it smells really good too. Wow, you can actually see a difference in my hands. Actually, it might not be able to pick up on camera, but this hand is the one that I have the primer on. And it's really, really smoothing, and it just really sinks into the skin nicely. I think I'll really, really enjoy this. I'm glad that I have this because I've been wanting to try it since this one is the hydrating one. Anything that has hydrating in the title, I'm all about it. So next up in the box from Elemis, we have the Superfood Cica Calm Hydration Juice. I think it's Cica, C-I-C-A. Not really sure how to pronounce that, but this is what it looks like. And it is glass, which is awesome. Come on, focus. There we go. It is glass. It's really weighted, and you do get 1.6 fluid ounces, which is a lot. I have really problematic skin, as most of you know, so I don't know how much use I'm actually going to get out of this, but it is really nice to have. It says that it's a cooling hydrator packed with fruit waters and antioxidant-rich Cica that helps visibly calm skin, which I have very, very red, irritated skin, so that's awesome. And this retails for $48. I know Elemis has a lot of really good skincare products. I personally have never tried anything from this brand, so that's really exciting. And it says that it's a superfood with 75 organic aloe. It's a gel moisturizer that instantly cools, helping to soothe dehydrated or sensitive skin. It is vegan, so it says a vegan-friendly formula moisturizes and improves the look of skin texture for more calm and balanced looking complexion. I might add this in. So it's a gel moisturizer. I guess you could use it during the day. Cool. Nice little thing to have. Next up, we have this Illuminati Gel Paint. Interesting. I don't know. It comes with two in here, so let's see exactly what they are. Electric Pink and Electric Blue are the two that I have here. Let me see if you guys will be able to see that. So I don't know if these are like eyeliners or lip liners. Let's see what it says here. Illuminati Cosmetics Gel Paint Duo in Electric Pink and Blue. Electrify your look with this gel paint in electric pink, blue. Wing it out for the dramatic look or pop it in the inner corners for your eyes for a bold look. Wow. So these are eyeliners. Ooh, these are really, really pigmented. I don't have any color eyeliners with the exception of like nude and brown. So that's really cool. And it came in the pack. So for two, it is, wow, that's expensive. $42 for two eyeliners. It's kind of expensive. I've never heard of Illuminati Cosmetics, so I'll definitely give this a try. I don't know that I would put these in my waterline, but I would definitely use them to line the top lid. And then next up, the last two products that we have are from Iconic London. I know Iconic London is a pretty popular brand. I don't think I actually own anything from this brand. So we have the Iconic Lip Plumping Gloss in the shade Peekaboo. And this retails for $26. Oh, that's kind of pricey for a lip gloss, but all right. Ooh, it's a really sticky formula. I don't know that I like that. But that's what it's swatched right here. So it's definitely a more sheer gloss, but it's very, very sticky. I don't know that I'll like that. And then last but not least, from Iconic, we have the Illuminator. This is $41. That's insane. I mean, you do get a lot of product, but I mean, you get about half a fluid ounce, a little less than half, for $41. That's more than like most or a lot of my foundations. I mean, there's only like one or two foundations that I have that are more expensive than this, and you're getting double the product. Now, this is a very popular product, as you can see. It's like it comes with a dropper. It's super, super pigmented. I'm just gonna swatch a little here. Wow, it is stunning, but $41 is so expensive. I would personally never spend that kind of money, but that is beautiful. I'm not really a fan of liquid highlights just because I feel like it picks up the foundation underneath, but I do tend to set my face before I put on products like this, which you're not supposed to. But that is really pretty. I'm just shocked that it's $41. But I'm going to go ahead and do a tally of everything that came in the box to give you guys a total. So we have 32 for the Benefit Primer, then we have 48 for the Elemis Superfood, then for the two Iconic products, it's 41 and 26, and then for the Illuminati Cosmetics eyeliners, it's 42. So the total of the box comes to $189, which is crazy considering this box is only $25. So you have a savings of $164, which is awesome. I personally don't know how much I'm actually going to use from this box. I'll definitely use the primer, but the rest of the stuff I'm a little wary of just because one is skincare and I don't really have high hopes for skincare just because I have such problematic skin. But I don't know. This box is just meh to me. Some of you guys might love it. I'm really hoping that the premium box makes up for it, and the premium box is $35 a month, so be on the lookout for that video. Hopefully I'll have it up within the next couple weeks just because I don't know when that one's gonna come in. But thank you guys so much for tuning in, and until next time, bye guys.